do-it-yourself serpentine belt replacement for your 2017 Kia Soul 2.0. It's important for convenience to remove your right front wheel for space.
That is the tensioner right here, and I used number 17 box wrench, and it's tricky to take the belt out because of the design of the engine. It's so tight between the tensioner pulley and the engine block. So just pull the wrench towards the front. It will be counterclockwise with this one, and then while pulling this, that's what you have to work it sideways to get the belt off. First, take off everything from the top, and then take the belt off the pulley last. And then when you put it back, you put the belt first. The way you took it off, that's how you put it back also, but the opposite way, upward. Take the belt downward, off. Put the belt on, upward, sideways. It's really tricky. Good luck. And now we can put back the side panel cover, this one, and then the wheel, and then you're all set.